If you want to grow your YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, I would implore you to listen to this video. So I've got like 10 tips to give you to grow your YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in 7 days, possibly even in 14 days. Hear me out. So there are a number of strategies that I've been looking at on how to grow your YouTube channel real quick to 1,000 subscribers. And once you have gotten that 1,000 subscribers, then you start working on the 4,000 hours of watch time. Hopefully, while you are busy uploading these tips that I'll be talking about in this video, hopefully you will have 1 or 2 or 3 videos that are going to take off and go viral and get you the 4,000 hours of watch time. Of course, the first thing that I am going to tell you, which is tip number 1, is have a niche. Talk about a topic that you are good at, a topic that everybody as well is aware of and also searching on YouTube. Remember, YouTube is a search engine. It is all about the user of YouTube, not you as a creator of content on YouTube. The second thing that I am going to ask you to do is create a trailer for your YouTube channel. This is where you tell your potential subscribers and viewers that your YouTube channel, this is the topic it talks about. That's the niche. And if they are interested in this type of topic, they should subscribe so that they get more of what you are going to be dishing on your YouTube channel. Take that trailer, embed it on your about section of the channel so that the first thing that people see when they visit your channel is the trailer. That will give them an idea what your YouTube channel is about. The third tip is create content that has a gift that will keep giving. So now you guys know that my favorite niche here on YouTube is finances, anything that has to do with finances. Complicated topics like forex, cryptocurrency, real estate, insurance, health insurance. These are the specific topics that you can choose and talk about if you have authority in these topics. If you have authority in entertainment, then do entertainment. If you have authority in inspirational content, then do inspirational content. If you have education content, then do education content, but do one topic which also has a gift that keeps giving. That way, people that are watching your YouTube channel, they are going to say, okay, I like this video. Chances are the next video is going to be on the very same topic. This is when people put the thumbs up on your video and even subscribe. And that's when the subscription begins to flow in. Why? Because you've provided something that people that searched for it found it in your videos. Tip number 4, always go straight to the point the moment you start rolling your camera. The first 30 seconds of your videos are very important. Even YouTube says it, that your first 30 seconds of your YouTube videos are what's going to break or make your YouTube video, subsequently your YouTube channel, because you will be uploading videos timelessly on your YouTube channel. And if you are not going to get straight to the point, people are going to drop off early from your video and you may never see the joy of your YouTube channel growing to 1,000 subscribers. Number 5, have a personality. Very important as a content creator on YouTube that you have a personality. I am not saying that you need to be loud and out there and annoying to people that are going to watch you. Have some kind of personality that people can gravitate towards. That also includes, which is tip number 6, confidence. People gravitate towards confidence as well as fall in love with you as a person that drops these type of gems that they've been searching for on YouTube. So very important that you be confident, have some kind, the personality must position you in such a way that what you are talking about on YouTube, you've got some expertise in it. And that way people can trust you that you know what you are talking about. And therefore your confidence as well must ooze out so that they'll be like, definitely this is my channel, or this is the community I want to be a part of. And then you see your YouTube channel growing. Being authentic is part of your personality as well as your confidence. They are two different but similar in some ways as well. Always have that at the back of your mind. Tip number 7, keep everything simple. I mean, everything simple, starting with what comes out of your mouth. If you are a person that speaks bombastic words and big English, you are not going to enjoy growth on your YouTube channel. It's important that you come to the level of everybody, because not everybody speaks English first language. Your videos are going to be promoted all over the world. It might even go as far as non-English speaking countries where they are going to rely on subtitles, but still have words that you drop out of your videos be as simple and comprehensive for people to understand what you are talking about. Same thing when YouTube writes it in the language in subtitles, that there's no big word that probably that language does not have in the English word they don't have in that language, and now they have to write it in English, and the person is still confused what you are talking about. What comes out of your mouth must be simple. Your background must be simple. You don't make sure that your background is not messy and there's not too many things going on in your background. Keep it neat and simple. Your thumbnail, keep your thumbnail simple. Whether it's a picture of you alone or a picture with 3 words on the side, basically describing what the video is about, keep it simple. Don't somersault. Don't have too many things going on your thumbnail. The video title also must not be way too long, like the title of this video is way too long. Try to chop it down into probably 30 characters or at least 40 characters, which is still kind of like long, but keep it around 30 to 40 characters when you are video titling your videos. Tip number 8, be relatable. Yes, even if you are doing complex niches or complex topics like finance, forex, cryptocurrency, insurance, life insurance, all these things that needs people to really, really sit down and pay attention to what you are talking about on your videos, you must still be relatable. But being relatable also speaks to how you are dressed. If you are going to come to YouTube and sit down and talk about whatever you are talking about, you're wearing a Chanel or you're wearing a Louis Vuitton and then you're unrelatable. People have no business that are simple, who don't have the kind of money that you have to sit and listen to you. Wear golf t-shirts if you want to look a little bit dignified. If you are a male, if you are a female, you can wear like a cardigan or something nice and fluffy, just so people are able to relate with you. Or wear t-shirt, or better yet, you can wear track pants to talking about these complex type of content. All right, it's important because at the end of the day, people that watch you, they don't have the kind of money to buy the things that you are going to be talking about. That also includes people also wanting to be like you. When they watch your videos, they'll be like, man, I can relate with this girl, but at the same time, I so want to be like her. You will see that in the comment section most of the time. Tip number 9, solve problem. That means look for a problem in your niche and solve it. That way, you know that when people are searching for whatever the problem that you have brought is solutions to, your video will pop. Remember, search engine, this is where you are going to rank, and your goal is to rank as high as possible, maybe the top 5 videos. When somebody is looking for a solution to the problem that they may have, and then they click or they'll type the title, and maybe the title is how to solve acne, and you talk about beauty, right, or skincare. The title of the video is how to clear acne, right? And then you solve the problem by saying, okay, if you mix this, mix and that with turmeric and da, and then put a video and post it. And then the algorithm, according to how people find your video, click and watch it, then it will rank you high on the search bar of the YouTube, okay? So that's your goal if you are doing how-to type of content. Even any content for that matter. You want the algorithm to be in your favor due to what? How people are reacting to your videos, clicking, watching, stay long time watching the video, hopefully beginning to the end. And then the algorithm, of course, will push that video to more and more and more people. And that is how you will grow from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers in 7 days. Tip number 10, very important that you add cards as well as end screens on each of your videos after uploading. This helps you at the end of the video and somebody enjoyed your video and then they see an end screen or they saw a card. I'm going to show the card up here. I'm not sure it's going to pop this side or this side, what I'm talking about. And then an end screen, you also see it at the end of this video, that this is what I mean by end screen. This helps with people binge watching your content after watching the current video. Like after watching this video, they see an end screen, they click on the end screen and then continue to watch more of my videos. And also if they hit the end, what they call it, the cards, maybe they will choose the cards instead of the end screen. I still get watch time, because you know why? After every video, they are going to see an end screen and they'll keep clicking on each end screen and each end screen. That is why it's important that you also watch this video right here, which is going to help you with your YouTube journey.